Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.